It was almost like 5-star glamping. I am at the Royal Pita Maha in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia, and we're going to explore the room. Oh, I'm sorry, the villa. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe. Okay, and I am at the main entrance. So let me give you a little perspective. First of all, look at this sculpture. Amazing. This is the circle where the main lobby is, and they call the rooms villas. It does get a little slippery when it has rain, so be careful when you're coming down and climbing, but definitely when you're coming down. The stones get very slippery. Welcome to the Royal Pita Maha in Bali. But before we get to the room tour, I meant to say the villa tour. I keep doing that. First, I need to give you a fair warning of how you get to some of the villas. The property is gorgeous. It is lush. It is serene. It is tranquil. And it has a lot of stairs. Couldn't even be in one of those villas, and the main house is right there. No. Had to be all the way down there. If you are staying at the bottom of the property where my villa was, you will come down from the main house first by elevator through the building to the first set of stairs. I am at the Royal Pita Maha in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. It is a beautiful resort, but sad to say, it is not really accessible. I'm sure they can put you in a villa that is close to the lobby and everything. There's an elevator, but I'm going to continue down the stairs just to give you an idea of how this is. It is utterly amazing and utterly not for people who cannot handle stairs. So you have been, it's beautiful. But there's the main house. Some villas are there and some villas are on the other side, but everywhere there are stairs, and not just down, up and down. Then you will continue down more stairs and more stairs and more stairs. There's not an elevator at that point until you reach the bottom of the property where the most loveliest villas are. Remember, what goes down must go up, and you will repeat the process to get back up to the top. Look at me. I just walk up about 1,000,000 steps. Stairs lead everywhere here. And once you think you've made it to a certain level and to a certain destination, there are more stairs. Some of the amenities are way down here. Into the Holy Spring pool. More stairs. Yoga pavilion. More stairs. Up to, there's a monument or an altar up there. More stairs. And even to go into your villa. More stairs. They will carry your bags down and up. Feel sorry for the staff. Some of those bags are definitely like 50 pounds. And I'm going to go into my villa and one more set of stairs. So you have your own private villa here. It's nighttime, but I can't wait to see what it looks like in the day. This whole part is private and belongs to me. Okay. Oh, I think I relax here. I don't think I'm sleeping here. I hope not. my pool. This is the room. Welcoming me. It's late. It's a 90-minute ride from the airport. There's a lot happening here. Oops. Okay. All right, whoops again. What did I bump into? Oh, the garbage is right there. Very nice. Wooden. Okay. I gotta see what's complimentary. Not everything is complimentary. I have a refrigerator. Menu is here.
If you want to order food from your room,
oh,
our
okay.
service open 24 hours, yeah?
Oh,
There's a breakfast, lunch,
okay.
and also dinner, yeah?
Okay, very nice.
Yes.
Oh.
Flower, yeah?
Oh, okay.
It's very beautiful.
It
write
is.
down your name.
See, oh, it should have. Let me see.
Yes.
My name is here. Yes, I am.
All right.
Beautiful. I saw the prices of the snacks.
Over here is a complimentary fruit.
Oh, the fruit. Great. I'm a fruit person.
You can try to find what kind of fruit you get, yeah, over here.
I'm going to have them all.
Yes. It's a complimentary coffee.
Oh, okay.
Coffee, tea, sugar.
Tea. I'm a tea person.
2 mineral water.
Oh, okay.
Coffee maker and water.
The mineral water is complimentary?
Complimentary.
Oh, okay. And I bought water.
There's a 6 bottle of water, yeah?
Right.
Over here is a free soft drink. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a...
That's mine. Yeah, I just put that in there.
All right, that one is free.
Right.
But this one is chargeable, yeah?
Oh, yeah, I don't need the
All
chocolate.
right. That's good.
Oops, sorry.
All right. Over here we have the remote control for television.
Okay.
And then for the air conditioner, it's already up.
Ah, nice.
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful.
Even your laundry, yeah?
Oh, okay. Laundry
Yes,
bag.
mosquito electric already plugged.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that there.
Yes.
Yes. Oh,
Here is the amenities.
Okay, thank you.
Standing shower over here.
Yes, that's me.
And then the
Hot water. Oh, this is. Oh, okay. Different colors there. Okay, so you turn that one. Okay. And this is for. Oh, that's to stop it up.
yeah.
That's the stopper. Oh, okay.
All right. Yeah.
Oh.
We provide 2 bathrooms and 2 kimonos, yeah?
Okay.
And also iron if you want to do ironing.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Yes. Inside is a
let me
hair
see.
dryer with the cover,
Mhm.
safety box. You can create the code, and this one is a mosquito spray on your skin, yeah?
Oh, yes. Okay.
Also flashlight if you want to go out at night.
You see, it's here.
AC control.
Okay.
Right, and chillin'.
Okay.
Unlock this and go outside, yeah?
Yes.
It's smoking free.
Yeah, I don't smoke.
Alright. And also the pool, yeah, it's private.
Yeah, they said.
Yes. Also a standing shower. Very beautiful.
Right.
Alright. Alright. Yes. Alright,
So he goes there.
Around.
Oh, yes, okay.
Yes.
I brought one, but this is prettier.
Yes, video.
Nice. Didn't see the artwork there. That is really nice. I told the young lady I'm gonna sleep over here because I don't want to mess this up. I went back outside to take a look one more time at my private pool. So I can relax here and go down here. It's magical at night. I can't wait to see it in the daytime. And this is your private pool. The private pool is an unheated saltwater pool. They do service it, I believe, when they come to service your room. The bottom of the pool was paved stones, similar to the walkways that are throughout the resort. Slippery, but beautiful. Like most of the resort, it would be a little bit difficult if you had wheels, like wheelchairs, scooters, strollers, whatever. So it would be a little bit difficult for you, but it was beautiful. Like I said, it was like expensive, luxury, 5-star glamping, but it was definitely a resort. If you want to see the rest of the resort and the tour, check out our other videos and the links below. My bag is ready to go up. He's got to carry it up those stairs. But I take one final look, because if I come down these stairs again, I don't know how I'm getting back up. I couldn't be in one of those villas. No, we had to be wait a minute, let's keep walking around. Way down there. Okay. Lovely place. You have been warned. I'm your NYC traveler, taking all the stairs at the Royal Pita Maha Spa, Resort, Hotel, Resort, whatever, in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe.